PL-600 real questions are newly updated to help you pass Microsoft Power Platform Solution Architect exam. 1. You are designing a Power Platform solution for a company. Users must be granted access only to data that is relevant to them. You need to recommend actions to meet the requirements. Which two recommendations should you make? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Add column security profiles to applicable teams. B. Define and configure security roles. C. Create teams and assign security roles and users to the teams. D. Create business units and assign security roles to the business units. 2. You are designing a Microsoft Power Platform solution. You need to identify the non-functional requirements for the organization. Which 3 non-functional requirements should you identify? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Usability of business process flows. B. Customer maintenance procedures. C. Business rules to identify top customers. D. Solution regulatory compliance. E. Time to load forms. 3. You are designing a Power Platform solution. The company wants its development team to adopt the construction of repeatable components for its implementation team to reuse on different entities and forms. You need to recommend a technology that meets these requirements. Which technology would you recommend the developers adopt to assist the implementation team? A. JavaScript. B. Power Apps Component Framework Control. C. Web Resource. D. Canvas App. 4. You need to recommend a solution for handling data entry requirements for the mobile audit teams. What are 2 possible ways to achieve the goal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Canvas app within Power Apps Player. B. Canvas app within a browser. C. Dynamics 365 Field Service. D. Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. 5. You need to create an agent security role. Which 3 actions should you recommend? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Add security to the seat entity and assign users to the agent's role. B. Add security to the core records and assign users to the customer service representative role. C. Copy the Microsoft Dataverse Basic User role. D. Rename the customer service representative role to agents. E. Copy the customer service representative role. F. Name the new role agents. 6. You need to recommend a feature that erases agent workloads and resolves reported issues. What should you recommend? A. Dynamics 365 Customer Service Default Functionality. B. Microsoft App Source. C. Microsoft Store. 7. A company wants to add an interactive checklist to a Power Platform solution to ensure that salespeople are following the same steps when qualifying leads. You need to recommend a solution that will incorporate this checklist. What should you recommend? A. Microsoft Customer Voice. B. Business Process Modeler Task Guide. C. Dashboards. D. Business Process Flow. 8. You are designing a Microsoft Power Platform solution to help a company manage sales leads. The solution has the following requirements. Ensure that users follow a predefined sales process regardless of the device that employees use to access the app. Respond to sales events by using organization-defined best practices. You need to recommend a component for the app. What should you recommend? A. Power Automate Cloud Flow. B. Business Process Flow. C. Power Automate Desktop Flow. D. Playbook. 9. You are designing a Power Platform solution. During quality assurance testing, the API limits are reached. You need to identify and resolve the issue. Which 2 actions should you recommend? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Allocate Microsoft Dataverse Capacity add-on subscriptions. B. Use the out-of-the-box user summary report from the Reports section of the Solutions Model-Driven app. C. Review the Home tab Dataverse Analytics dashboard. D. In the Power Platform Admin Center, review the Usage section of the Power Apps Analytics dashboard. E. In the Power Platform Admin Center, review the Runs section of the Power Automate Analytics dashboard. 10. You need to manage user access to the app. Which 2 connection types should you recommend? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Virtual table with a customer connector. B. Office 365 Outlook connector. C. Microsoft Dataverse connector. D. Office 365 Users connector.